Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Listening English Anywhere, the podcast where you can practice English every day in a simple and fun way. In each episode, we learn English through real conversations about daily life. Today's topic is health and body. This is a very important subject because we use our body every day, and we often talk about health with our friends, family, or doctor. In this lesson, you will learn easy English words for body parts like head, eyes, arms, hands, legs, feet, and also simple sentences to talk about your health, such as I am tired, I feel sick, I have a headache, I am healthy. With these words and sentences, you can answer questions, explain how you feel, and speak more naturally in English. Now, let's listen to Sophie and Tom as they practice English about health and body. Part 1. Health and Body.
Hello, Tom. How are you today?
Hi, Sophie. I am okay, but I feel a little tired. I went running in the morning, and now my legs are tired.
Oh, that's normal after exercise. Running is good for health, but it can make your body tired. Today, let's talk about health and body. It's a very useful topic because every day we use our body and we talk about how we feel.
Yes, that's true. Let's start with body parts. The first part is the head. On the head, we have many important parts: eyes, ears, nose, and mouth.
Exactly. We use the eyes to see. For example, I see the sun with my eyes. We use the ears to listen. For example, I listen to music with my ears.
Good examples. And we use the nose to smell. Like, I smell flowers with my nose. And we use the mouth to eat and to speak. For example, I eat pizza with my mouth. I speak English with my mouth.
Perfect. Now let's talk about the arms and hands. We use our arms to carry things, and our hands are very important. With our hands, we can write, draw, hold, play, or even cook.
Yes, I can say, I write with my hand. Or I play the guitar with my hands.
Nice. Then we have legs and feet. They help us to walk, run, and jump. For example, I walk to school with my legs and feet, or I play football with my feet.
That's right. So let's review. Head, eyes, ears, nose, mouth. Arms, hands. Legs, feet.
Very clear. But the body has even more parts. We also have the shoulders, back, and stomach.
Oh yes, I carry my school bag on my shoulders. My back sometimes hurts when I sit too long. And my stomach is hungry after class.
Haha, that's a good example. I also say, my stomach is full when I eat too much.
So, our body has many parts, and each part is important. Let's ask some simple questions for practice. Sophie, what part of your body do you use when you listen to music?
I use my ears.
Good. What part of your body do you use when you smile?
I use my mouth and my face.
Perfect. What part of your body do you use when you play football?
I use my legs and my feet.
Great answers. So, listeners, you can practice at home. Touch your head, your arms, your legs, and say the words again and again.
Yes, practice makes it easy. And if you know body parts in English, it will help you talk about health too. For example, I have a headache, my back hurts, my legs are tired.
Exactly. And that's what we will learn in the next part: how to talk about health, sickness, and feeling strong or weak.
I'm excited for that. Let's move to part two soon. Part two, talking about health. Tom, in the last part, we learned body parts: head, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, arms, hands, legs, feet, and more. Now let's talk about health.
Yes, Sophie. Health is very important. Every day people ask, "How do you feel?" And we can answer with different words.
Exactly. Let's start with when we feel good. For example, I feel good, I feel strong, I am healthy.
Yes. When I sleep well and eat well, I can say, "I feel strong today."
That's a good sentence. Now, sometimes we don't feel good. For example, I am sick.
Right. If I have a cold, I can say, "I am sick. I have a cold."
And when your head hurts, you can say, I have a headache.
Yes. Last week I said, "I have a headache. I need to rest."
Good. If your stomach hurts, you say, I have a stomach ache.
And if your throat hurts, you can say, "I have a sore throat."
Exactly. So let's practice some examples together. I am sick today. I have a headache. I have a stomach ache. I have a sore throat. I feel tired.
Very useful. Sophie, what do you say when you don't have energy?
I say, I am tired, or I need to rest.
That's good. And if I have a fever, I can say, "I am sick. I have a fever."
Perfect example. Now let's talk about the doctor. When we feel sick, we go to the doctor.
Yes. At the doctor, we can say, "I feel sick. My head hurts. My stomach hurts." Simple sentences help the doctor understand.
Exactly. For example, hello, doctor. I have a sore throat. I cannot speak well.
That's very clear. Sophie, let's practice a small conversation at the doctor.
Hello, doctor. I don't feel well.
What's the problem?
I have a headache and I am very tired.
You should rest and drink water.
Thank you, doctor.
See? Very simple. You don't need long sentences. Just say how you feel.
Yes, and sometimes we can also say positive things. For example, I feel healthy. I feel strong. I am okay today.
That's true. Health is not only about problems, it's also about feeling good.
Sophie. Exactly. So let's practice both positive and negative sentences. Positive. I feel good. I am healthy. I feel strong. Negative. I am sick. I have a headache. I feel tired. I feel very tired. And sometimes I have a headache.
And how do you feel when you eat healthy food?
I feel strong and healthy.
Perfect! Listeners, you can try the same at home. Think about your day and say, "I feel tired. I feel strong. I am sick. I am healthy."
That's the best way to practice English and also to learn about your body.
Part 3. Staying Healthy.
Tom, in the last part, we talked about feeling sick and telling the doctor, like I have a headache or I feel tired. But today, let's talk about something more positive: how to stay healthy.
Yes, Sophie. Staying healthy means doing good things every day for your body.
Exactly. For example, one important thing is eating well. When we eat vegetables, fruit, rice, and fish, our body is strong.
That's right. If we eat too much fast food, we don't feel good. But if we eat healthy food, we feel strong and happy.
Yes, I like to eat apples, bananas, and carrots. They give me energy.
I like rice, chicken, and vegetables. They help me feel strong.
Great. Another important thing is sleep. When we sleep well, we feel good.
Yes. If I sleep only 4 hours, I am tired and I have no energy. But if I sleep 8 hours, I feel strong.
Exactly. So we can say, I need to sleep well to be healthy.
Another good habit is exercise. For example, running, walking, swimming, or playing football.
Yes, I go walking every morning. After walking, I feel fresh and happy.
I play football with my friends twice a week. It makes me healthy and strong.
That's great. And also, don't forget drinking water. Our body needs water every day.
Yes, I drink many glasses of water. Water is good for the body.
So let's review good habits. Eat vegetables and fruit. Sleep well. Do exercise. Drink water.
Easy and useful. Sophie, what do you do when you feel tired?
I drink water and take a rest. And sometimes I go for a short walk.
Good idea. And what do you do when you feel sick?
I go to the doctor, but I also eat soup and sleep a lot.
Perfect. So, listeners, if you want to stay healthy, remember these sentences. I eat fruit and vegetables to stay healthy. I sleep 8 hours every night. I do exercise every day. I drink water every day.
Yes, practice saying these sentences every day. It will help your English and also your health.
That's two benefits at the same time.
Exactly. Healthy body, healthy English.
Part 4. When to see the doctor.
Tom, we already talked about staying healthy by eating good food, sleeping, exercising, and drinking water. But sometimes, even when we do all these things, we still feel sick.
Yes, Sophie. That's true. Sometimes we get a cold, a fever, or a headache. In that case, we need to see a doctor.
Exactly. Going to the doctor is very important when our body is not well. Let's practice some simple English for this situation.
Good idea. First, when you go to the doctor, you usually say, "Hello, doctor. I don't feel well."
Yes. And then the doctor will ask, what's the problem or what's wrong?
Then you answer with your feeling. For example, I have a headache. I have a stomach ache. I have a sore throat. I have a fever. I am very tired.
Perfect. Let's make a small role play. I will be the patient and you will be the doctor.
Hello. What's the problem?
Hello, doctor. I don't feel well. I have a sore throat and I cannot speak well.
I see. Do you have a fever?
Yes, I have a small fever.
Okay. You should drink warm water, take some medicine, and rest.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Please come back if you don't feel better.
That was a good practice. Very simple, but very useful.
Yes. We can make another example. Now I will be the patient, and you are the doctor.
Hello, what's wrong?
Hello, doctor. I have a stomach ache. My stomach hurts a lot.
I see. Did you eat something bad?
Yes, I ate too much fast food yesterday.
Okay. You should drink water, eat some light food like rice or soup, and rest at home.
Thank you very much.
No problem. Get well soon.
That's another good example. Easy words, but very clear.
Exactly. So, listeners, when you go to the doctor, remember these useful sentences. I don't feel well. I have a headache. I have a stomach ache. I have a sore throat. I have a fever.
And also remember, the doctor may say, you should rest. You should drink water. You need medicine.
Yes, that's very important. If you know these sentences, you can explain your problem and understand the doctor.
And this helps you feel safe when you travel to another country, because you can speak to a doctor in English.
That's true. English for health is very practical.
So today we learned, when we are sick, we go to the doctor, explain how we feel, and listen to the doctor's advice.
Perfect. In the next part, we will review all the vocabulary about health and body and practice together.
Part 5. Practice and Review.
Tom, we have talked a lot about health and body. I think now is a good time to review everything we learned.
Yes, Sophie. Review is very important. Let's start with body parts.
Okay, we have head, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, arms, hands, legs, feet, shoulders, back, stomach.
Right. And each part has a use. For example, I see with my eyes. I listen with my ears. I eat with my mouth. I carry things with my arms. I write with my hands. I walk with my legs and feet.
Perfect. Now let's review health words.
Yes. When I feel good, I can say, I am healthy. I feel strong. I feel good.
And when I don't feel good, I can say, I am sick. I feel tired.
Also, we learned some important problems. I have a headache. I have a stomach ache. I have a sore throat. I have a fever.
Great. And we also learned about good habits to stay healthy. Eat vegetables and fruit, sleep well, do exercise, and drink water.
Yes. For example, I eat apples to stay healthy. I sleep 8 hours every night. I play football to be strong. I drink water every day.
That's very clear. Now, let's practice a longer conversation that uses all these sentences. I will be the teacher and you will be the student.
Okay, let's try.
Hello, Tom. How do you feel today?
Hello, Sophie. I feel a little tired
Why are you tired?
because I didn't sleep well last night. I only slept 4 hours.
I see. Do you have a headache?
Yes, I have a small headache.
Okay, you should rest and drink water.
Thank you. That's good advice.
Now, Tom, what do you do to stay healthy on normal days?
I eat vegetables and fruit. I drink water. And I play football with my friends.
That's excellent. And can you name 5 parts of the body? Yes, eyes, ears, mouth, hands, and legs. Perfect. You remember everything.
Thanks, Sophie. This practice is very useful.
Yes. Listeners, now it's your turn. At home, say some sentences aloud. I feel good. I have a headache. I drink water every day. I walk with my legs. I listen with my ears.
Practice every day, and your English will get better and better.
And remember, a healthy body helps you learn English faster too.
Yes, healthy body, healthy mind, and healthy English.
Haha, that's a great way to finish.